Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Pluto and uncovering 3 surprising facts about its demotion from planet status. You know, Pluto's story is a bit like that friend we all have, the one who walks into a room and instantly has everyone asking, "Wait there now?" In 2006, Pluto, once the beloved 9th planet in our solar system, was reclassified as a dwarf planet. It was a cosmic shakeup that left many of us wondering, what makes a planet anyway? We're going to unpack that very question, and trust me, the answer is more interesting than you might think. Get ready to explore the icy realm of the Kuiper Belt, where Pluto resides, and discover why this distant world, though small, still holds a big place in our astronomical imaginations. Stay tuned. Our story begins in 1930 at the Lowell Observatory in Flagstaff, Arizona. A young astronomer named Clyde Tombaugh, just 24 years old at the time, was tirelessly searching for a mysterious 9th planet, a hypothetical planet X that astronomers believed was affecting the orbits of Uranus and Neptune. Tombaugh's dedication paid off. By meticulously comparing photographic plates of the night sky, he spotted a tiny point of light that shifted position over time, the telltale sign of a celestial object moving against the backdrop of distant stars. The world rejoiced. A 9th planet, shrouded in the darkness of the outer solar system, had been found. Named after the Roman god of the underworld, Pluto, with its enigmatic nature, captured the public's imagination. Here was a world at the edge of our cosmic neighborhood, shrouded in mystery, its surface hidden from even the most powerful telescopes of the time. But Pluto's reign as a planet was not meant to last. As telescopes improved and our understanding of the solar system grew, astronomers began to uncover hints that Pluto might not be alone. They started finding other objects in the same region of space, some nearly as large as Pluto itself. This discovery raised a fundamental question. If Pluto was a planet, what about these other objects? Where do you draw the line between a planet and, well, something else? The stage was set for a cosmic debate that would challenge our very definition of a planet. Fast forward to 2006. The International Astronomical Union, or IAU, the governing body responsible for, among other things, naming and classifying celestial objects, decided it was time to settle the debate about Pluto's planetary status once and for all. They convened a meeting, and after much deliberation, astronomers established 3 criteria that an object in our solar system must meet to be considered a full-fledged planet. First, it must orbit the Sun. That one seems straightforward enough, right? Second, it must be massive enough for its own gravity to pull it into a roughly spherical shape. In other words, no flying potatoes allowed in the Planet Club. And third, here's the kicker. It must have cleared its neighborhood around its orbit. This means that a planet must be the gravitational dominant force in its orbital region, having either absorbed or flung away other objects in its path. Pluto, unfortunately, failed to meet this third criterion. It shares its orbital neighborhood with a host of other icy bodies in the Kuiper Belt. And just like that, with the stroke of a pen, or perhaps the click of a PowerPoint slide, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. Now you might be thinking, that's cold, IAU, really cold. But before we start a Justice for Pluto campaign, let's remember that scientific understanding is a constantly evolving process. The IAU's decision wasn't about demoting Pluto, but about better understanding the true nature of our solar system. Chapter 3. Pluto's New Hood. Welcome to the Kuiper Belt. So if Pluto isn't a planet, where does it call home? Pluto resides in a vast and mysterious region beyond the orbit of Neptune known as the Kuiper Belt. This region is like the solar system's attic, filled with remnants from its formation billions of years ago. Imagine a donut-shaped ring encircling our Sun, extending far beyond the orbit of Neptune. This ring, my friends, is the Kuiper Belt, and it's teeming with icy objects of all shapes and sizes. We're talking trillions of them. These icy bodies, including Pluto, are remnants from the early solar system, leftover building blocks from the time when planets were forming. They're like time capsules, offering us a glimpse into the chaotic and dynamic environment that existed billions of years ago. Pluto, with an estimated diameter of about 1,473 miles, is one of the largest known objects in the Kuiper Belt, but it's certainly not alone. In fact, Astronomers estimate that there are hundreds of thousands of objects in the Kuiper Belt larger than 62 miles across, along with trillions of smaller objects. And here's the thing, Pluto, even though it's no longer considered a full-fledged planet, is far from boring. It has a heart-shaped glacier, towering mountains made of water ice, and a thin atmosphere that even snows. Pluto's demotion to dwarf planet status doesn't diminish its scientific value one bit. In fact, it's opened up a whole new chapter in our exploration of the solar system. The Kuiper Belt is a treasure trove of information about the early solar system, and Pluto, as one of its most famous residents, is helping us unlock its secrets. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed learning about Pluto, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting space facts. See you next time!